Good afternoon everyone. So it's currently like coming up to 3:15. I've had a chill morning. Again, we're starting a vlog with no makeup, messy hair and really baggy clothes because that's just how it is. I'm not gonna lie to you, that is like 90% of my life when I'm at home. So I'm gonna get ready, but I kind of wanted to vlog this part. I'll explain why in a second. We're just going out today. I'm gonna go pick Alex up around 4:30. We're gonna go up other side of Bristol. We're going to go out for a few drinks with his brother and his girlfriend, and then we're going to go over to his mum's and kind of celebrate New Year. That is kind of like the plan because I'm off today and tomorrow, which is really cool. I'm hoping this vlog sounds a lot clearer because Alex got me a really amazing present for Christmas. Again, apologies for not vlogging Christmas, but I had the flu. Just getting over it now, so I've been quite poorly and I was quite ill on Christmas Day, which sucked, but it is what it is. I've got a new mic attached to my camera right now, well, my phone. It's the Rode VideoMic Me, and I'm really impressed with it so far. Like, I haven't really put the footage on iMovie yet, but I've kind of played it back and I'm quite happy with how it sounds. Like, I don't have to talk as loud and it picks up a lot better. But it's got one of those mufflers for like the wind and stuff, but it's literally like this big. It's huge. I kind of wanted to do a review type video. I want to do this main channel style, but I'm trying to stay away from that because it's too much for me right now. I can't really set up and do all the main channel stuff, and I want to try and see how my channel can go vlog wise because it's what I enjoy the most, and this is kind of like I'd rather do something I enjoy than do it just because everyone else does it. I've got two things I want to kind of review. I got this from my mum and then the other one I got from my nan, but the first one is the Remington Shine Therapy straighteners with Morocco oil. I wanted these straighteners because my GHDs I do find really dry my hair out. I got like the coral GHDs I think, and I just find that they don't really make my hair that straight. So I want to try them out, and my mum got them for me for Christmas, which is really lovely, so thanks mum and dad. I want some larger, like a larger barrel curler because mine's quite a thin barrel. I don't know if you've seen it. You might have, you might not have. I wanted to try this, is it Babyliss? I think it's Babyliss Boutique Salon Soft Waves. So I want to try this out as well, but I kind of want to straighten my hair a little bit first because it's been in this bun for like yesterday and overnight, so my hair's going to be... I kind of want to straighten it a little bit, give you a review, a little mini review, and I might do like a more in-depth one if you want that, so let me know. But I'll do like a mini review, kind of show you quickly kind of what's going on, and then I'll kind of want to curl my hair with this. Then I'm going to do my makeup and come back to my curls. That's why I'm doing my hair first, and again, that's why I'm in baggy clothes because I don't want to get dressed just yet because it's a little bit early. I'm just going to get the straighteners now. I kind of got them out of the box already. These come in this bag. I really like the colour of them. They're white. They're like white, black. As you can see, white on the front, black on the back, and they're like a teal blue on the inside. I really like that. Swivel cord, which is amazing. It's got infused with Morocco and argan oil as well. So apparently it's supposed to give you more shine. And you've got variable heat. It goes up to 230. So that's always good for someone who's got really curly or really thick hair. It also comes with a little bag, which is quite cute for like transport if you want to get scratched or whatever. And obviously the instruction booklet. Automatic safety shut off, which is amazing. Everyone appreciate that. It goes from 150 to 230 degrees. 110mm longer length floating plate for even pressure on the hair as you straighten. It's got like a little grid here to say kind of what temperature you should really use. So for fine hair it says 150 to 170, like recommended. Medium 170 to 200, and thick 200 to 230. You set the desired temperature by pressing the plus/minus button. Oh, on the inside here where my thumb is. Can't really see, but yeah, that's what it is. And lock the temperature control by pressing the minus button for 2 seconds. A lock symbol will appear next to the temperature. To unlock the temperature controls, hold the minus button again for 2 seconds. Temperature boost function automatically sets the highest temperature. Hold the plus button for 2 seconds and the temperature will boost to 230. So if you want it to just quickly go up rather than waiting, just literally hold the plus button. But to lock it, hold the minus button. Oh, and the plates can be shut together for easy storage. To lock, push the hinge lock to the locked position. So there's like a little lock thing here so you can close them. You push that up there. Oh, there you go. And then it stays shut. So for transport, that's really cool. So it's flashing blue when it's on. But I might do 200 because my hair's kind of like thickish. And then what I'm going to do is hold on to that. And it's got like little dots going up, so it looks like it's kind of heating up. But for now, I'm just going to take this out. This is going to look a mess, so I do apologise in advance. Oh, if any of you see my vlog from like 2 weeks ago when it was Alex's birthday, I got my helix pierced. And just an update on that, it's actually fine. I cleaned it for like the first week with like just salt water. Like boiled salt water, and also let it cool down. And then after that I kind of just left it. and it's been absolutely fine. I could kind of lie on it now, which is cool. Ooh. You just seen I've done that over like 2 strokes. That's crazy. Definitely the plates are bigger than my GHDs, so I could feel it. It's gliding through, so nice. It's like it's not catching at all either, which is great. And that is really, really shiny. I don't know if you can really see the shine. It feels really soft as well. This side feels a bit drier because obviously it's just been like in a bun, but this feels really silky. Wow, I'm really, really impressed. Like really impressed. Right, I'm just going to carry on doing my hair with this and then I'm going to get back to you. Me literally quickly going over my hair. It's done a really good job. I'm thinking of doing maybe a video of half my head with these and half my head with the GHDs. If you want to see that, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I would definitely do that. But yeah, I'm really, really impressed with that. So just jump straight into the curlers because I'm running out of time. Ooh, I like the packaging and I like how they're presented. I think it looks really cute. I like the nude kind of colour we got going on here. Oh, this comes with a heat mat. That's really, really cool. I've got one already. I should have opened this first because I could have used this one, but never mind. We'll put this one down as well, so I've got plenty of space to kind of lie things. So this is the barrel. I'm not sure what size it is. I will find out. On the front, you've got a power button, a plus or minus button, and then a screen. The screen's got 165, 180, 195, and 210. Comes with a glove, so that's really, really handy. And obviously the book. The wave maker is a 34mm large barrel for beautiful soft waves. Wrap and style for fast kink-free styling, up to 210 in temperature, digital heat control, superior heat transfer for long-lasting results. It's got tourmaline ceramic like plate, like the big plate, I'm guessing that's what it means, for smooth shiny finish. So again, it's going to make my hair even more shiny. It's got a cool tip as well, so the end of it obviously doesn't get hot, so you can hold that. It's got a swivel, power cord, as like I said, it's got 5 different temperatures. Again, with the same thing is obviously you press which temperature you want, a few seconds to heat up. Take a section of hair starting around 2 inches from the scalp, hold to start at a slight angle, pointing the cool tip towards your shoulder, then wrap the hair around, hold the hair for 5 to 8 seconds depending on your hair type. It's got auto shut off again as well. The tongue is on for more than 72 minutes. That's a really good booklet for someone who doesn't really know how to use curlers and things like that. I mean, I'm quite familiar with them. Mine's very similar to this, just obviously one temperature and very, very thin. So really, really cool booklet there. Man, I'm so impressed with that straightener. Like, that is insane. I can't believe how straight that's gotten. It takes me ages with my GHDs. Like, it's obviously not perfect because I didn't make it perfect, but I'm sure I could do like wonders with this straightener. Like, I'm so impressed with it. I'm so happy. Does that make a noise or anything? But I'm kind of guessing it's done. I'm going to assume it's done. I'm going to hope it's done. Oh, this glove's good because it actually fits really well. Do you know, I never actually used a glove before. I don't normally use it. Is that bad? I think that's a little bit bad. Try and catch the curl. I'm going to leave it to cool down in my hand a minute. Do you know what? Using a glove's pretty good because usually by now I'm burning my hand, so... Not overly impressed with that. I mean, let's try that again, go a bit higher up and maybe just kind of pull a little bit tighter. Okay, that's a little bit better. Maybe I should do a bit smaller pieces. I just hit the buttons off, so I kind of wish that this had the same kind of effect where you could lock it, because I just kind of turn it off, so that's why it's not working very well. I mean, they're definitely like subtle loose waves. They're kind of cute, but I don't know what I think of it. I was expecting a bit more. Oh god, I'm not sure what I think of this right now. I mean, it's kind of improving, kind of. Kind of just got to play about with it. The underneath will just come out already. And once it's kind of settling, it's actually getting a lot better. Like, it's turned quite wavy. I think it just needs a lot of playing about, like kind of going over little bits and stuff. and I'm not sure whether it's just my hair at the moment, because obviously I just use a straightener and it's quite silky, so maybe it's just not sticking. So I'm going to turn these off, I'm going to get my makeup done, come back to you when that's done, and just kind of do a few finishing touches, let you know what I think of both products. Like I said, some of it is going quite nice. Like now that's kind of falling a lot better. Just got ready, my hair's fallen out quite a lot. Done a few more curls to it just to kind of add a little bit more. Hard to see because the camera's not the best quality. Just going to quickly turn around so you can see the back. You can see that. Over the moon with the colours and the straighteners. So I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial on those two products. I absolutely love them. I'm going to use them so much more. Let me know if you want a more in-depth one on the straightener and whether you want me to compare it to the GHDs, because I'll be happy to do that. Also let me know if there's any other like things you want me to try out or test, because that's really cool. I'll be happy to do that too. Yeah, really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm really sorry it's a rushed end, but thank you so much for watching and see you next time. The only problem that I got